I saw on the Instagram feed that you can cure hiccups.
This was a fun, like, little side project that Dr. Sellers and I were messing around with. But looking at like the response of the reflex of hiccups, it is very closely tied to your CO2 levels. If we mess with your CO2 levels, we can actually reset that hiccup response. So by doing this protocol that we developed, it's really simple, where we drive low levels of hypercapnia, so CO2 slightly higher. We can reset those pathways and your hiccups will stop.
So
right now,
okay,
we're batting at 100% right now. I'm keen to have somebody do some research on it to see if we can get somebody with chronic hiccups to have this help.
That's interesting because I had hiccups once for like a week. It was like miserable.